This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix SharkClean app not working. So this is an Apple device and Android tutorial, so just simply follow along. So guys, today I'm going to show you three solutions in order for you to fix your SharkClean application. So for the first solution is just go to your Google Play Store and just search for the SharkClean app. And then from here, just make sure you are running the latest version of the application, and when SharkClean have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So now guys, for the second solution is just go to the settings on your phone, and then after that, just go to the apps. And then over here on the apps, you will see all of the installed application on your device. So now I want you to find SharkClean and tap on it. Then from here, tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And guys, if this solution doesn't work, for the third solution, just reinstall the application on your device. So first, uninstall it on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again from your device. And then from there, you should have a working Shark Clean application and you should be able to fix this issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!